Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen in Toca Boca. First, head over to the food court. You will find a special noodle machine there. Simply choose your favorite noodle type, whether it's thin or thick, and decide on the amount you want. Once the noodles are ready, gently transfer them into a clean bowl. This sets the perfect foundation for your delicious ramen creation. Now let's focus on the heart of your ramen, the broth. Toca Boca offers several broth bases. Pick the one that sounds most appealing. Next, enhance the flavor and texture by adding some vibrant vegetables. You can choose from carrots, corn, or even mushrooms. Don't forget to include a protein, perhaps a perfectly boiled egg or some thinly sliced meat, to make your ramen truly satisfying. Ready to take your ramen to the next level? This is where you can get really creative. Explore the wide array of sauces and spices available to add a unique kick. Consider garnishing your bowl with some crispy seaweed, fresh green onions, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for extra zest. Don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients. You might just invent your new favorite ramen recipe. Finally, your delicious Toca Boca ramen is complete and ready to be enjoyed. Carefully serve your culinary masterpiece to one of your Toca Boca characters. Watch their happy expressions as they taste your creation. It's always fun to see their reactions. Remember, the best part of cooking is sharing, so don't hesitate to share your fantastic ramen recipes and tips with all your friends in the game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.